Hey everyone, welcome to my total body fitball workout. Get ready to take this position. Make sure that the underneath leg is bent, that you're leaning on the ball, but you're not sinking down into the ball. You're staying lifted with good posture. The shoulders are pressed down and the abdominals are engaged. Take a 10-second rest and prepare to repeat the exercise on the other leg. Keep thinking about not sinking down into the fit ball, but staying nice and lifted. Abdominals engaged, glutes engaged, and really lift that leg as high as you can. Take a 10-second rest. Now you'll need to prepare yourself in the tabletop position. The feet should be hip width apart and the legs should be at a 90-degree angle to the body. Push up into the bridge position, keeping the pelvis square, and bring the legs as far as you can into your chest and extend them again. In this exercise, you should be thinking about keeping your pelvis square, so the abdominals really have to be engaged. You're going to be working on your core strength. Your hips should stay pushed up as high as possible, and they should maintain the same level throughout the exercise, not dropping to the floor when bending the legs. Now you've got 10 seconds to take the plank position. Remember in this position that the hands should be directly below the shoulders, abdominals engaged, and your body should be in a flat line. Now you have 1 minute of ball toe tucks, bringing the knees into the chest. The positioning of the ball is really important in this exercise. You should start with the ball on your lower shins. and take a 10-second rest. Now you have another 10 seconds to take the plank position. Remember to always maintain good posture. Now you have 1 minute of the plank with leg lifts. Remember to keep your pelvis square. When you lift the leg, you will feel the shift in the weight, so you really have to use your core to maintain your balance. And relax. Now you have 10 seconds to return to the plank position. Now you have 1 minute of pikes. This exercise is a little bit difficult, so to lift up you need to use your abdominals to pull the hips over the shoulders, keeping the back nice and long. And when you're in that pike position, don't break the line with your neck. Keep the ears next to your arms.
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.
Now you have 30 seconds to rest, then we're going to repeat the circuit again. Now you have 10 seconds remaining to get into position. One minute of side leg lifts. Take a 10 seconds rest and prepare to set up on the other side. Now rest for 10 seconds. take this position. Now you have 1 minute of bridge curls. And relax. Take a little stretch if you need to. You have 10 seconds remaining to take the plank position. Always focus on having good posture. Now you have 1 minute of ball toe tucks.
No. Listen, y'all. These kids want to act up in school, want to go to school and embarrass you, want to make like they ain't got no home training. So I told my son, don't go to school embarrass me no more. I take care of you, son. I give you anything you want. I discipline you. But you're going to embarrass me like this? No, so now I'm going to cut his hair, send him to school with a bald head. Don't embarrass me. I told him, don't embarrass me, no.
And relax. You have 10 seconds to return to the plank position. Now you have 1 minute plank with leg lifts.
My life ever humiliate my own DNA on a social media network. I seen a lot of parents do that, and it actually made me cry. Humiliation can cause suicide and depression. Come on, I'm 26 and I know better than that. Come on, y'all. I do not respect that. Everybody have their own opinion. The people that might get mad with this video is the people that probably already embarrassed their child. You can discipline your child in their room. Take something away from them. If they act up, well, my sons, if they act up, I'm like, son, you can't play the game today. They act up again, I'm gonna say, son, you're gonna read a book all day today. You can't watch TV. That's it.
And relax. Take a little stretch if you need to. Here I'm stretching in second position to really feel the stretch down the back of my hamstrings. Now I'm going into the downward dog. Ten seconds to return to the plank position.
We live in a society now where people want to record how they discipline their child. Since when? What goes on in home,
now you have 1 minute of
stay in the
pipes.
home. And I cannot believe y'all. I'm 26 and all y'all 35 plus probably the videos I done seen. And it's unbelievable. It's heartbreaking. But God bless y'all though. Y'all have a nice day.
and relax. Well done guys, you finished your circuit. Now I'm going to show you a few stretches to finish. Sitting on your fit ball, roll back and relax over the ball. This will be a really nice stretch through your back. Carefully come up off your ball and push back to a seated position. Slowly relax over your legs. Take your arms behind you, clasp your hands and push out your chest. For this part of the stretching, you don't need your fit ball, so just set it aside. Kneeling down on the floor, place your hands facing you and push the wrists down into the floor. From doing all the exercises on the fit ball in the plank position, you might feel a little bit of strain on your wrists, so this exercise will help stretch the muscles.